everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here, and in today's video I'll be sharing how I set up and prepare for back-to-back clients at GlowTreatment Studio. And yes, my voice is gone, but we're gonna make this very quick. So the first thing that I like to do is to open up the blinds and get all that natural sunlight in. I love the natural sunlight. And now it's time to get the towels in the towel warmer and turn the towel warmer on, because anytime that I am stuffing the towel warmer full of towels, I like to get it on as early as possible, because when it's stuffed and packed, it takes longer for the towel warmer to heat up all the towels. So I just like that to be one of the first things that I do as well. And please excuse my ashy hands, but at least you know that I'm constantly washing my hands. And even though this towel warmer is packed, this is not even all of the towels that I needed for this day, but we still made it work. So my first client of the day is usually at 10 a.m. Well, that's when I start taking clients, is 10 a.m. So at 9 o'clock, I like to go ahead and light the candle, because I want the room to already be filled with the scent of the candle once the client gets here. So yeah, I want it to be at full intensity when my clients arrive. So I also made sure that I had my client's skincare consent form ready, along with a chemical peel consent form and an updated intake form. And here you see that I am already set up for one client, and in these drawers I have set up for multiple clients afterwards. And this is one of my favorite ways to prepare for back-to-back clients, which I'll explain now. I wish I could have filmed more before my clients came, but it's like time was going by fast, you know, time sprung forward or whatever, and it just seemed like time was going by so fast, so I couldn't really record everything to show you what I was doing to prepare. Another thing is I like to gather all the electronics that I need. The iPad that I have in here for my point of sale, it's an old iPad and it loses its charge fast, so I like to make sure that's charged. I like to make sure my speaker is charged, because one of my clients today had a chemical peel, which it wasn't a strong chemical peel at all, so I didn't need the fan luckily, but I would make sure that the fan is all good to go and everything. I did record some of my consent forms. So what I recorded was the first skincare consent form that clients fill out after booking their appointment, and then a chemical peel consent form along with any updates. That's what you saw in that clip. And what I like to do when it comes to making my bed, the client's treatment table, whatever you want to call it, the massage table, is what helps is knowing your clients. But if it's a new client, then it's obviously going to be a little bit more different. So the first client of the day was a quick appointment. I already knew it was going to be a quick appointment. This particular client, she does like to get underneath the covers when she does come in for her appointments, which goes into knowing your client. She does usually get underneath the covers, but I decided for her treatment, because I had back to back, and because it was a quick appointment, is to not have the bid made up, just so that the turnover would be a lot quicker for the next client, because it's like just not enough time. So because that was such a short appointment time and she wasn't a new client, then I had kept the bid simple and not had it fully made up. Now for the second client, she was a new client, and the client after that, she's a new client too.
I make sure to have the bid made because that's a longer appointment time. And then 2, on my social media, my treatment room looks a certain way. The bid is made all pretty and stuff like that. So I wanted to keep up that same appearance. And so I made sure to hurry up and make the treatment table for her, because she's a new client. Wanted to make a good first impression and everything. So when it comes to that, like, think about like the type of treatment, the treatment time, and knowing your client and making a good impression and all that. Another thing that helps me with back-to-back clients is having these drawers. So I'm sure you've seen these drawers if you've watched my videos before. They've probably been used for something else in a different video, but this is what I like to use for setting up for multiple clients. This is an acrylic drawer from Muji that I got years ago, and I just repurposed it. And you can set up your multiple clients in these drawers. So this one's empty because I'm done with that client, but this had my last client's stuff in there. What time is it? I don't even have enough time to talk. Okay, I'll come back. Well, no, I don't even have time to come back. Okay. So basically what I like to do and put in these drawers are everything that, well, most of the stuff that I would need for the client. So dental bib, spa headband, gloves, SD wipes, facial brush, anything that I feel like I might need. This next client, she's a consultation and treatment, so it's like I don't know exactly everything that I'll need, but things that I do know that I'll need is already in this drawer, just so that once I'm done with one client, it's already ready to be set up and placed down and everything. But yeah, let me get a little closer. Yeah, you can easily take these drawers out. And you can find acrylic drawers like this at Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx and everything. Not the Muji ones specifically, but they have acrylic drawers. So these come in handy for that. But I'll have to come back. Okay, so I can just take out what I have in here and easily just set up for the next client.
Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Sorry that it felt so rushed, but it was definitely a busy and exciting day. And in this last clip, I'm just showing the new reward system that one of my clients enrolled in at GlowTreatment Studio. See you next time.